Hi friends, myself Subrata Mukherjee and you are watching my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. I would like to request all the viewers to subscribe my channel and to see the playlist section of the channel where I have uploaded lectures on accounts, financial management, costing and management accounting. Today I am going to discuss another problem on final account on manufacturing concern. This is lecture number 5 and you can see the other lectures on final accounts of manufacturing concern in the playlist section of the channel. You can see my email in the description box and the link of the playlist of the chapter final accounts. From the following information of Mr. P prepared trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2019 and the balance sheet as on that date. On the debit side of the trial balance, we have opening stock 40,000, purchase 3 lakh, wages 30,000, salary 50,000, carriage inward 10,000, insurance 15,000, building 5 lakh, machinery 4 lakh, return inward 12,000, cash at bank 50,000. And on credit side, we have sales 7 lakhs, discount received 10,000, bad debt recovery 5,000, return outward 8,000, bank loan 2 lakh, capital 4 lakh 84,000. Total of debit and credit side is 14 lakh 7,000. Now the adjustment entries. Closing stock is to be valued at rupees 70,000. Insurance premium has been paid up to 31st March 2020. Depreciate tangible fixed assets at 5% per annum. Wages outstanding rupees 10,000, cash drawn from bank by the proprietor for personal use rupees 10,000. So first of all, let me discuss about the adjustment entry. So we have the closing stock for rupees 70,000. So 70,000 of closing stock will be recorded on the credit side of trading account as well as on the asset side. Regarding prepaid insurance, the journal entry is prepaid insurance account debit to insurance. So what is the amount? So amount of insurance paid is rupees 15,000 and 3 months prepaid. So the amount has been paid till 31st March. So 15,000 has been paid for 15th month. So what is the prepaid insurance of 3 months? So this is 3,000. So your journal entry is prepaid insurance account debit to insurance 3,000. The third entry is regarding the depreciation. So we have to charge depreciation at the rate of 5% on tangible asset, and we have two tangible assets, that building and machinery. So depreciation account debit to building account and to machinery account. So the value of building given is 5 lakh and you have to charge depreciation of 5%. So this will be 25,000. And the value of machinery is 4 lakh. So 5% of 4 lakh is 20,000. So total depreciation that will be charged is 45,000. Next is the wages outstanding. So wages account debit to wages payable account. And the amount is 10,000. So wages account debit to wages payable. So 10,000 will be added in the trading account and this wages payable will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. And regarding the drawing, so your journal entry is drawing account debit to bank. I have passed this journal entry just to explain how this will be recorded in the trading PL account and the balance sheet. And this is for your understanding. Students are not to show the journal entries while solving a question on final account. This is just for the understanding. Now I am going to prepare the trading PL account and the balance sheet. So here I have prepared the structure of the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2019, and here I have prepared the structure of the balance sheet. So we are going to record the transactions or the items which are given in the trial balance. So the first item given in the trial balance is opening stock. So opening stock will be recorded here. And the amount of opening stock is rupees 40,000. Next is purchase. So I have to record here to purchase, and this is the trading account, and in inner column I am writing rupees 3 lakh because there is an purchase return or which is given on the credit side of the trial balance. So that will be recorded once I reach there. So the next item is wages. So you have to record it here. So 2 wages, and the amount of wages given in the trial balance is 30,000. So in the adjustment entry we have wages payable for rupees 10,000. So I have to give effect right now. So I am writing here add payable 10,000, and in the outer column I am recording 40,000, and this wages payable will be recorded in the balance sheet on the liability side. So here I am writing wages payable 10,000. The next item is salary. So salary will be recorded on the debit side of profit and loss account. So just you have to leave some space to record the other transaction given in the trial balance, which will be recorded in the trading account, and leave some space and write to salary, and the amount is 50,000. Next is carriage inward. So carriage inward is an item of trading account and will be recorded in trading account. So to carriage inward, and the amount of carriage inward is 10,000. Next is insurance. So insurance will be recorded in PL account. So here I am writing to insurance 15,000, and in the adjustment entry I have shown you that insurance, there is a prepaid insurance. So I am reducing this amount, so less prepaid, the amount is for 3,000, and in the outer column you have to record 12,000 for insurance, and on the asset side you have to record prepaid insurance rupees 3,000. Next we have building. So building is an item of your balance sheet. So here on the asset side I am writing building 5 lakh, and you have to charge depreciation of 5%. So less depreciation 25,000, and in the outer column you have to record 4,75,000, and in PL account you have to charge depreciation. So here I am writing to depreciation on building 25,000. Next item is machinery. So in balance sheet you have to record below building machinery 4 lakh less depreciation 20,000, because 5% depreciation is rupees 20,000. So in the outer column you have to record 3,80,000, and in the PL account you have to write to depreciation. So for building it is 25,000, and for machinery this is 20,000. So total amount of depreciation is 45,000. Then return inward. So return inward means it's sales return. So sales return amount will be reduced from sales. So here on the credit side, I am writing by sales. I am not recording the amount. So once I reach that figure, I will record the amount of sales over here. And I have to reduce the amount of a return inward. And the amount of return inward given is 12,000. Next item is cash at bank. So cash at bank is an item of asset. So on the asset side, I am recording cash at bank and amount is 50,000. So there is an adjustment entry for drawing. So you have to reduce the amount of drawing from bank, that is drawings less drawings 10,000, and in the outer column you have to record 40,000. And drawings to be reduced from your capital. So on the liability side, I am writing here capital. I will write the figure just after some time, and you have to reduce the amount of drawings for rupees 10,000. So this way, all the items which are given on the debit side of the trial balance, I have recorded either in trading profit or loss account or in balance sheet. Now coming to the credit side of the trial balance, the first item given is sales. So the amount of sales is rupees 7 lakh. I have already recorded the return inward amount. So in outer column, the net sale is 6,88,000. Next item is discount received. So in PL account, you have to record by discount received. And the amount is 10,000. Then is bad debt recovery. So for recovery of bad debt, the journal entry is cash account debit to PL. So in profit and loss account, you have to write by bad debt recovery. And the amount is 5,000. Next item is return outward. So return outward means purchase return. So from purchase, you have to reduce this figure of return outward. And the amount is 8,000 rupees. So your net purchase is 2,92,000. Next item is bank loan. So bank loan is to be recorded on the liability side for rupees 2 lakh. The last item is the capital, which is 4,84,000. So this way I have recorded all the figures which are given in the trial balance. Now only one adjustment entry is left, that is the closing stock. So closing stock will be recorded on the trading account credit side, and the amount is 70,000 rupees, and on the asset side, that is a part of current asset. So closing stock rupees 70,000. So now you can see that all the adjustment entry given in the question I have covered. So regarding the closing stock, regarding the prepaid insurance, regarding depreciation on building and machinery, regarding wages payable, and the drawings. Now you have to close the trading PL account. So you can see on the credit side of the trading account, the total is 7,58,000, and the difference is the amount of gross profit. So you can write here to gross profit CD is 3,76,000. So the gross profit will be recorded in the PL account as 3,76,000. Sum total of the credit side is 3,91,000, and the difference is the net profit. So you get the net profit. You get the net profit of 2,84,000. Now this net profit will be added with the capital. So here you can write 4,74,000 at net profit of 2,84,000. So your net capital or the closing capital is 7,58,000. And the total of the asset and the liability side is 9,68,000. So I hope all my students have recorded the question with the solution, and you must have seen the process, the way I have solved the problem. So first of all, you have to record all the journal entries in your mind. You need not have to write it or show it in your solution. And then you start preparing the trading PL account and the balance sheet. You place the figures because all figures has its distinct place in either trading PL or in balance sheet. And while you writing the figures from the trial balance, you have to give effect to the adjustment entries also. Now you can see the trading PL account in one screen. And this is the final balance sheet. Hope you have recorded the problem, and if you find any difficulty, feel free to contact me through email that I have given in the description box. Thank you. Thanks for watching the lecture.